Okay, so I got this really unique sauce we're gonna try. It's an umami tamari type of sauce. We're gonna use it in a stir fry, okay? See how it goes. Boiling up the lo mein noodles. And then I have some sesame oil. We're gonna sprinkle on the noodles. Lo mein noodles have the oil on them, and they're ready to be tossed in. The baby corn, shiitake mushrooms, and Asian eggplant and sesame seeds are ready. Okay, everything is stirred together, and the eggplant really absorbed the sauce really well. Little nice stir fry, sesame oil, a little bit of olive oil to cook the vegetables in, obviously. And then the umami sauce, baby corn. I could have added a green onion, but I didn't really want to. And the shiitake mushrooms. The package didn't have too many shiitake mushrooms, so maybe next time I'll add a little bit more, because the more the merrier. But I hope that you get to try something similar. Have a good day. Alright, looks great. Mashallah, tabarakallah.